Alright, it's time that we revisited this old Macintosh portable. Now, in our last installment we left off with the portable recapped and booting, but without a working battery or hard drive. Well, it turns out the hard drive was fine. I rebuilt the battery, and just to prove that things are working, let's run it without the AC adapter. Fires right up. You hear the hard drive spinning up. Booting into System 7. Trackball needs to be cleaned, but other than that, see here we have a working battery finally. I didn't want to put out the battery. We are running System 7.0 on this hard drive. The best that I could tell, that this machine was last used in about mid-1998, going by the files on the hard drive. And I don't know how long this sat until they finally decided to throw it out. If I recall, I picked this machine up off the curb in like 2002 or so, maybe even a little earlier. All I know is I was in college at the time. So that's it. One project down. Many more to come. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment.